At Terraline, we built something different, a single central compute system with our Terraline software. It transforms any vehicle into a fully digital software-defined machine, one that can be updated over the air, monitored in real time, and optimized through the cloud. I'm Graham Dorley, the founder and CEO of Terraline. At Terraline, we're reimagining the architecture of heavy vehicles, from construction and mining to defense and commercial fleets. For decades, these machines have relied on dozens of outdated controllers and complex wiring, making them expensive, rigid, and hard to update. Today, I'm sitting in front of our proof of concept truck that shows what's possible. It's less expensive, less complex, and more intelligent. And most importantly, it's a platform that adapts as fast as technology itself. This isn't just an upgrade, it's the next generation of vehicles.
Our software-defined vehicle platform is based on the core philosophy. A single central controller handles all vehicle-level commands. This brain sends commands to remote actuators throughout the vehicle, which then carry out the instruction. It's clean, elegant, and simple architecture that reduces complexity and allows for seamless integration and communication. This design also allows for redundancy to be easily added, ensuring an extra layer of safety and reliability. My name is Varujan Sarkisian. I'm the CTO at Terraline. For years, vehicles have been built with a complex web of disconnected electronic control units, each managing a specific function from your windows to your engines from different suppliers. It's a system with unnecessary complexity and fragmentation. We believe the future of the car isn't just about what's under the hood, but what's in the brain. We've taken a step back and approached this vehicle design from a first principle perspective. We asked a simple question: what's the most efficient, reliable way to build a modern vehicle electronic system? The answer is single, centralized brain.
This radically simplifies the vehicle network and hardware, reducing physical complexity and potential points of failure. This is a complete game changer because the complex intersection of different control domains, like powertrain, thermal management, and chassis, is no longer distributed across multiple ECUs. Instead, it all comes together in one easily accessible software environment. This dramatically speeds up our development cycle and enables a level of performance that is impossible in a distributed system. I'm Joshua Cunningham. I'm the principal lead of powertrain at Terraline. My primary focus is to leverage our zonal architecture to build smarter, more efficient, and more robust powertrain.
With the performance room in our GCU and the data capacity of Ethernet, we're including live streams of extensive diagnostic data from our system. Traditional systems rely on slow links, which may only be able to provide 10 to 50 signals for monitoring, which is not enough for development. In our vehicle development, it's been so much easier because we can view the raw data, the intermediate calculations, and processed outputs from every single software module that we're working on. This gives us one consistent data stream that we can always reference. I'm Matt Christian, and I'm leading vehicle software development at Terraline. I specialize in embedded systems engineering, functional safety, and cybersecurity. But at Terraline, there aren't any notions of domains or areas of ownership. Every day I just show up as Matt, and I get to solve interesting problems with the team here.
In a traditional vehicle, you're dealing with a distributed architecture, which is essentially a web of small computers, all with their own specific jobs, likely from different suppliers that all have to cooperate with each other. This complicates component integration, performance analysis, and issue diagnosis, making it difficult to implement changes. At Terraline, our central compute system places all the intelligence in a single computer and allows us to see the entirety of the data that is flowing throughout the truck at any time. Instead of being isolated to viewing signals from a single domain controller, we can look at powertrain data, vehicle dynamics data, battery data, and temperature data all at once. Not only does this make issues trivial to diagnose, it makes new algorithms simple and straightforward to implement and analyze.
We've incorporated the Terraline central compute system into a demonstrator Class 5 vehicle as a proof of concept, removing the old domain-specific ECUs and networks with our central compute system. We have modernized both the cluster and infotainment systems on this vehicle. Now the driver can have a modern, fully digital cluster which is sleek and customizable depending on the OEM needs.
In the current automotive landscape, there's a number of suppliers that are trying to find the bare minimum to do or just pretty much ignoring cybersecurity altogether. In my experience in embedded systems, I've seen a lot that have no image signing, no image integrity, no way of knowing that what they're running is actually what they intend to be running. This makes it easy for somebody to come in and put their own things into that unit. For us, we have an end-to-end platform that makes sure that what we're actually releasing is what's running on our GCU. We don't allow any software to execute or perform any functionality on that GCU that hasn't actually gone through our image authentication process.
A little bit about our team. This isn't just a science fiction project for us. It's a reality being built by a team of battle-tested professionals. Every member of our team has multiple commercial products on the market, from software to hardware. We aren't just theorizing, we are building and delivering. We've assembled a team with the specific talent needed to execute the vision. We know what it takes to bring a complex product to market, and we're doing it again. But this time, we're building the vehicle of the future.
Today I'm sitting in front of our proof of concept truck that shows what's possible. It's less expensive, less complex, and more intelligent. And most importantly, it's a platform that adapts as fast as technology itself. This isn't just an upgrade, it's the next generation of vehicles. And at Terraline, we're building it today.